context graphs, when they're really well instrumented, actually become world models. And what I mean by that in this specific use case is that I, as a seller, have a world model for what does the world of James actually look like. I usually start with a hypothesis, given the few pieces of data our first 3 or 4 conversations have given me. Mm-hmm. And then I make a decision, I try something, and then after that, I get some feedback back. There's 2 different ways to go about this in the AI world. There's, the Copilot model is the way that I would describe the first one, where I, as the seller, will go to Copilot and say, hey, could you go research my patterns talking to James and tell me when is the right time for me to reach out to him next?
Yeah, which I agree is only the smallest stratum of value.
And I think there's a second world where you actually have an agent that's saying, it is now my responsibility to go reach out to James. In the same way that humans will sometimes get it wrong, right? These agents are also going to get it wrong. I think that the difference between the agents that are truly able to scale into the enterprise versus the ones that stagnate are going to be the ones that are able to actually understand why their decisions are right and wrong. And then after that, essentially reinforce their internal world model of how the operations of the world that they're actually operating over work. And so there needs to be this like reinforcement loop.